Oh, welcome to Assembly for today. I hope you're all okay. I hope you've had a really lovely week. Have a think about your week and tell me something really positive, or tell your teacher, tell your friend something really positive that's happened to you this week. It could be a tiny, tiny detail. It could be something enormous, something huge in your life. I am going to share a couple of mine with you. I am going to share that. Let's think what's really lovely that's happened to me this week. I've got a plant in the garden that's flowering for the very first time. I noticed that this week. And I had tea with my mum and dad. There you go. I went to visit mum and dad and had tea with them, and hadn't seen them for a couple of weeks. And that was really lovely. So not huge, not massive things, but actually they were really important to me and they helped my well-being. So you have to think what's really good that's happened to you. Go. Okay. I hope there's lots of really lovely examples. That's really good. Now we're coming up to the end of term. We've had time in new classes and we're starting to think about what it's going to be like when you're in year 4, or how it's going to be when you're one of the oldest children of the school in year 6, or maybe moving into Key Stage 2 and you'll be in year 3 for the very first time. And it's exciting. But we've got our year 6 children who are going off to high school and we'll say goodbye to them. And that's exciting as well for them because they're going on to new things. Now, I'm going to share a story with you about what you might be. Okay, so some people might be absolutely set. That's it. I'm going to be a footballer or whatever. But this story is, have you ever wondered what you will be? And one of the reasons I've chosen it is because of the poetry theme that we've had in school recently, because it's a little bit of a poem as we go through as well. So I want you to have to think about what you might be, because there's a range of things to think about here. It's not just about playing football for a famous team. Have you ever wondered what you will be? When you look in the mirror, what do you see? Do you dream of things that seem out of reach? Do you daydream a lot when you're out on the beach? Have you ever wondered what you will be? When you look at the night sky, what do you see? Do you gaze at the stars and wonder out loud how to be special, to stand out in a crowd? For you may be little as can be, but someday you will grow like a seedling into a tree. And you may be small as you are, but someday you will shine as bright as a star. So go ahead, wonder and ponder and think, for the future will come in a flash, in a blink. It will come in the winter, it will come in the spring, but nobody knows what the future will bring. It will come in the summer, it will come in the fall. Nobody can stop it. It will come for us all. But if you are ready as can be, you will smile at the future and meet it with glee. You will wake up with joy and a spring in your step. You will blossom and thrive and radiate pep. You will climb atop ladders and break through the ceiling. You will chart your own course. You'll be flying, freewheeling. So it's never too early, it's never too soon to wonder what you will be and aim for the moon. Kid, it's perfectly fine to be a dreamer of dreams, as long as you don't end up a schemer of schemes. When you find a dream that's worth fighting for, you will jump every hurdle, knock down every door. For it is through grit and steely determination that you'll inch your way closer to your choice destination. And it is through work, persistent and hard, that you'll find your way closer to claiming your reward. But never forget that at times you might fail, for failures and flops are part of the tale. You'll find yourself deep in the throes of despair. You'll ponder and wonder why life isn't fair. Well, life isn't always a smooth sailing ride. There are zigzags and twists, and you can't always glide. There are bumps on the road and potholes so deep, if you aren't careful, they'll make you lose sleep. The measure of life isn't only success, it's how you get up when your life is a mess. It's about courage and it's about love. It's being thankful and kind and all the above. So if you've ever wondered what you will be, the choice is endless, as vast as the sea. Will you be an author, a doctor, a chef, a programmer, an engineer, an accountant, a technician, or a farmer? A teacher, an architect, a software developer, a nurse, a physiotherapist, a lawyer, or a landscaper, a dentist, a pharmacist, an entrepreneur, a mechanic, a surveyor, or a restaurateur, a fitness instructor, a singer, or a thespian, a language instructor, spy, or an equestrian, an astronaut, a pilot, a marine biologist, a builder, an athlete, an artist, or a florist. There's more. An environmental scientist, a wildlife protector, a product inventor, a professional investor, a motivational speaker, a writer of rhymes, a firefighter, a police officer, or a solver of crimes, a superhero mum, a dad extraordinaire, or an animal rescuer saving animals everywhere. Know that this list isn't complete. Choosing a calling can be a difficult feat. The most important thing is to look deep inside, deep in your heart. It will help you decide whatever path you take, whichever road you choose. You will give it your best shot. You've got nothing to lose. For life will just happen with its highs and its lows. That's how the world works. That's how everything goes. Have you ever wondered what you will be? When you look deep inside, what do you see? Do you see your potential, how special you are? Do you know there's no doubt that you will go far? And when the future arrives, lo and behold, you will go forth and greet it, ever ready and bold. There we go. Can you name each profession, each job? Have a look. See if you can spot some. Put your hand up if you can guess one of these, and then we'll see what they are on the next page. See some answers. There we go. We've got our numbers. So have you ever wondered what you will be? There's so many things. You are all so full of potential. You've got so many possibilities that you could do in your lives. And you might decide that you're going to be an accountant, and then partway through your life, you might change what you do and be something else entirely. You don't have to say, this is what I'm going to do and I'm going to do it forever. You can change and do whatever you like. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that one. It's a nice poem to share with you. Lovely illustrations as well. But also with that positive message, you can do whatever you like because you're amazing. Every single one of you. There we go. Bye-bye.